Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Craft-ideaz. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. In this video, I am going to sharing with you a beautiful chocolate explosion box for Valentine's Day or for birthday also. You can gift it to your girlfriend and I promise that definitely she will like it. This explosion box contains 3 layers and every layer is full of chocolates, and inside of these layers one small cute box is there. This is actually gift box. You can keep your gift there and you can gift it to your chocolate lover friends also. I hope that definitely he will like it and it will be best gift for him or her. Is it beautiful? Let me know at the below comment box. I will love to read your comments. For more information, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I will give the link in my description box, so just check it out. If you like this video, please share it and give a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I need your support, so keep supporting. Happy crafting.